What is up, guys? It's your boy, That Fun Gamer Boy, here back with another video. You know that I'll be playing out of videos like that. Here's my little dog, Nino. Yes, he is. Big head knee. Okay, guys, so right now, let me show you him around. Yeah, he's long. Oh, yeah, guys. Check out Thompson's channel. He's savage. He can show you how to skip Nights of Fun, Nights of Freddy's, and everything. So check out his channel, FNAF World. He got everything. Alright, let me get my dog's tired. Come on, E. See, look. You jump on me. You gonna jump? You wanna jump? Sit down. Nee, sit down. Good puppy. You see this guy? Give me paw. Watch this. See? He like his tire a lot. So guys, I only got 4 minutes and 10 seconds to stream this video. So let's jump in. Woo! Nate, come on. You like your tire? Give it here. Give it here. Nate, give it here. Get it here, boy. He likes this. Guys, look at this. Come on, me. Give it. Ugh. See, look at him. He a long dog. Alright, that's the dark room. First thing, I know my room is a mess. This is a big cave. Watch this. I'm about to go inside. Phew. I'm inside his cage. Oh my goodness. This is what it's like. Come on. Let me out of here. Nino, let me out. Can you let me out? Wow, you see that, guys? He's a brutal dog. Let me zoom in for you. He done gone. See, look at him. He doesn't know he's being filmed. Let me out. Help me, Nee. Second now, guys. I can get you back straight out. You like, what's the whole reason? Get out of here. Alright, I'm about to come out of here. Because this is his cage. Wheel! Out of there. Alright, guys. I wasted 2 minutes already fooling around. Alright. Let's just talk to my dog. Come here, Nee. Oh, yeah, guys. Same thing. Check out Thomas's channel. He got a computer. Thomas, tell them all of the FNAF games you play.
I play Five Nights at Freddy's. I play FNAF World. That's probably it.
He plays
FNAF 6 also.
He plays FNAF 6, FNAF World, FNAF. Dude, yeah, I know you play Sister Location.
Yeah, I play Sister Location.
You play Sister Location. If you're a good FNAF fan. Oh yeah, I'm gonna make Nino a YouTube channel too. Yes, I am. Alright, so make sure to be sending all these notifications, because I'm gonna make Nino a YouTube channel. Yes, I will. Oh yeah, my dog is named Nino, so stop joking around with that shit. Look at him, baby. I'll zoom in and show you. Hey, Nee! Don't push me like that. Hold on, guys.